children, welcome to Friday Numeracy. So as well as doing your worksheets in your home learning pack today, I thought we'd also have a look at some shapes. And we're going to look at one shape today, and it's a 3D shape. And what does 3D mean? Well, it's not a flat shape like the ones that we've been learning about so far in school, like a circle or a square or a triangle. It's like a solid shape. So the one we're going to look at today, see if you can remember what it's called. I've got here my shape bag, and I've got lots of shapes in here to show you. And here's my first one. This is something I found. I've just been doing a little shape hunt around my house. And here's my first one. So here's the first one here. I'll just put that one there. Oh, this one's a big one. Taking up a lot of room in my bag. I found this game, but this game is in the shape of my 3D shape today. Put that one there and that one there. So I'll put it on top. You can see them both. Oh, here's one. This is called a Rubik's cube. A Rubik's cube. So our 3D shape today is a cube. I'll put that on there so you can see that. So this is a cube shape. This is a cube shape. That's a cube shape. We've got two more in here. And I've got my spot dice. That's in the shape of a cube, isn't it? And I've also got little dice with some numbers on. And that's also in the shape of a cube. I'm going to put those to one side. I've also got this tin. Is this tin in the shape of a cube? Is this a cube shape? It's a solid shape. It's got the same number of flat sides. But is it a cube? It's not, is it? It's not the same shape or 3D shape as my Rubik's cube. So how do we know this is a cube shape? What is it about it that makes it a cube? Well, if we look at the flat sides of our cube, every side is exactly the same shape. What shape is it? It's got 4 sides and 4 corners, and each side is exactly the same length. Begins with a S. It's a square, isn't it? So every flat side on a cube is a square. So that's how we know it's a cube. Now, I thought today you can either make your own cube, and I posted on Tapestry what's called a cube net. So you have to cut it all out, and then you fold it all up, and then you can make a cube. But before you fold it up, you can do some drawing on each one of the flat sides. So you could put some numbers or some spots, and then you can use your cube to play some games. Or you could use one of your cubes at home and turn it into a movement game. So what I've done is I've written some movement instructions on pieces of paper. So that one says star jumps. Oh, this one says frog jumps. Put that on one side. This one says balance on one foot. There we go. And this one says run on the spot. So I stick that. This helps me also work out how many sides my cube has. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. So we've got 2 more. So it's got 6 flat sides, hasn't it, a cube? This one says spin. So that's another movement instruction. And this one says, side stretches, like this. Side stretches. So you could then play a game. So you roll your cube dice to see what it lands on. It's landed on frog jumps. And then you can roll your spot dice. It's landed on number 2. So you've got to do 2 frog jumps. I'm not going to demonstrate now because I'm sitting down. Let's roll it again. balance on one foot. Well, for how long are we going to balance on one foot? Let's see, I can roll my number dice. Oh, so landed on this number, number 11. So I've got to stand on one foot for 11 counts. So I hope you have fun making your movement game cube or your cube net and your dice this week, and have a little hunt around your house too and see how many cube-shaped objects you can find, and make sure they're a cube. So make sure they all have a square on each of their flat sides. Happy Friday, everyone. See you again soon for some maths.